Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so you already.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so you all ready to listen today's class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before starting the class, we will do some warm-up exercise and then we will start the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you all sitting no? All do flower clap. How to do flower clap, Tanmay? All do silence clap. Now all clap your hands. All clap your hands. So you all do butterfly clap, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next.
Ma'am, he's not saying hi. Ma'am, he's not saying.
Now all sit straight, children. Clasp your fingers. Keep it on your lap. Sit straight, close your eyes. Now slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open your eyes, children. So why we do this meditation and exercise?
What?
Why we do this meditation and exercise?
For health, ma'am. Ma'am, for health. For healthy, ma'am.
So the concentration towards the lesson will be increased. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's sing the rhymes and we will start today's class.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't know to sing Up in the Dark Sky rhymes, no children?
Yes, ma'am.
So today let's sing the rhymes and today we will start our class. Okay. Now all sing with me. Up in the dark sky, what do I see?
Up in the dark sky,
Big stars and small stars are winkling at me.
big stars
What are they
Unmute
saying?
beda, unmute beda.
Repeat, children. What are they saying?
What are you saying?
What can it be?
What
All that I know is
Is
twinkling at me.
twinkling at
So now we will sing together. Now all we
Yes,
should
ma'am.
sing together. Okay. So start.
Yes,
Up in the
me.
dark
Sky
I see big stars and small stars are twinkling at
Small
me. What are they saying? What can it
What are they saying? What can it be?
wink at me?
Twinkling at me.
Okay, children. So last class, what we have learned? Last class, what we have learned?
Not a machine.
Machines are not a machine, ma'am.
Very good. So in previous class, we have learned about machine and not a machine. What is computer? Who invented computer? And how does the computer work?
Work.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is computer altogether? What is computer?
Computer is an electronic machine.
which makes our work simpler, faster,
So what question I'm asking, you'll have to answer to that. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Okay,
together,
ma'am.
what is computer?
Computer is
Computer
an
is an electronic machine which is used.
Okay. Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
Invented computer. Okay. So what is machine?
Machine is the electronic machine which makes our work simpler, faster,
Yes, faster. Okay.
easier.
Okay, children. So expand IPO. I stand for
Input, output, processing,
Input processing. Input processing output, ma'am.
Okay, children, very good. So in today's class, we're going to learn about computer system. Okay, so what we are going to learn in today's class?
Computer system.
What we are going to learn in today's class? What is
Computer system.
Okay. So what is computer system? A computer system is a smart electronic machine. Okay, repeat, children. A computer
Computer
system is a smart electronic machine.
electronic machine.
Once again, a computer. Joshna,
Yes, ma'am.
don't talk in between, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So when I'm taking
Okay,
class,
ma'am.
you're not supposed to go here and there, okay? So where you are sitting, you'll have to sit in the same place. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me what is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
computer system?
Computer
A computer system is the smart electronic machine.
machine. Electronic machine.
Okay, children. A computer system is a smart electronic machine.
Machine.
Electronic machine.
Machine.
Electronic machine.
So why we say that computer is electronic machine means because, so what are the things we can do in computer, children?
We can
Drawing.
draw, ma'am. We can see, we
Draw,
can
ma'am.
color.
One by
We
one.
can
Okay, all
paint,
unmute.
ma'am.
Color.
We
We
can
can
draw, we
paint.
can color, we can paint.
Okay,
We
all
can
unmute.
play games, ma'am. We can paint, ma'am.
Okay, all unmute your video.
We
Who I'm
can
asking only
play games, ma'am.
just unmute your video.
I'm unmuted, ma'am.
Okay, Tanmay. Only Tanmay have to answer now. Okay. So what are the things we can do in computer, Tanmay?
Ma'am, we can paint, we can color, we can draw, ma'am. We can type, ma'am.
Very good.
Type
So in,
data.
yes. So in computer, we can do calculation, we can draw pictures, we can paint, and we can do many things in computer. No. So only we call computer is a smart electronic machine. Okay. So did you all understood, children? So why we
Yes,
say
ma'am.
computer smart electronic machine means in computer we can do many things. Okay, so we can draw pictures, we can listen music, we can draw, and we can paint and all. No, so we call computer as a electronic machine. Okay, smart electronic machine. Did you all understood, children? Second point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third point. So why we say computer as a smart electronic machine means it performs. Computer system is made up of many parts, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Emission,
Ma'am.
emission, say me the parts of computer, different parts of computer.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Tell me the different parts of computer, Emisha.
ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Emisha, you can't hear
Can I
me.
say, ma'am?
Okay, then she try, ma.
Ma'am, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse.
Okay, so these four are the main parts of computer, isn't it? So anyone knows additional parts of computer? We have learned in first standard.
No, ma'am. Printer, speaker,
Very good, Tanmay. Say na. Printer,
printer, speakers,
headphones,
scanner, ma'am. Scanner, headphone.
So these all are the additional parts of computer. Okay. So only we have monitor means we can work in the computer, children.
No, ma'am.
Only we have monitor. We don't have keyboard. We don't have CPU. Nothing we
No,
have. So
ma'am. They cannot do, ma'am.
So
No,
these
ma'am.
We cannot do, ma'am.
computers are not there. We can't work in the computer. Okay. So if all the parts join together only, we will perform some specific tasks. Okay. Did you all understand, children?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
working in the computer, we need all the parts of computer. Okay. So what are the four main parts of computer? Preetham. Only Preetham.
Monitor, keyboard,
Only Preetham.
mouse.
Tanmay, wait. Preetham, you answer the four main parts of computer.
What, ma'am?
Four main parts of computer. Monitor.
Keyboard, mouse. UPS.
UPS. Cement, use cement four main parts of computer. Others cannot use it.
Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, ma'am.
Very good. Once again, monitor.
Monitor,
CPU, ma'am.
Monitor, CPU. More to
Keyboard, mouse.
or mouse. Okay, so
Mouse.
these are the four main parts of computer. Okay, so with help of
Yes,
keyboard,
ma'am.
what we can do?
We can type, ma'am.
We can
Okay.
type, ma'am. We
Very
can
good.
type, ma'am.
Letters, we can type numbers, we can type alphabets, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Joshna, with help of mouse, what we can do, Joshna?
Ma'am, we can. We want to go to painting means in mouse we can take.
If you
We
wanted
can
to
shake
draw
and
pictures,
change and
use mouse.
Right.
Okay.
No.
And to bring closer to the next line also, we can use
we can
mouse.
mouse.
For point also, ma'am.
Krutya, which is the brain of the computer, Krutya? Which part we call?
CPU, ma'am.
Explain
CPU.
CPU. Yeah, say the full form of CPU.
Central processing unit, ma'am.
So, which is the brain of the computer, children?
CPU.
So, CPU.
Central processing unit.
Central processing unit, ma'am.
is Central processing.
Processing unit.
Okay, children. So, did you all understand why we call computer as a smart machine?
Yes, ma'am.
Because in computer,
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
do many things. Okay. So if parts of computer is not there, means we can't perform all the tasks. We required all the parts of computer. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
next we
ma'am.
will see this computer system is classified into two types. Okay, hardware and software. Did you understand? children? The
Yes,
parts
ma'am.
of computer
Yes, ma'am.
classified into two types. What are that?
Hardware,
Hardware,
software, ma'am. Hardware,
software. Okay.
Hardware,
What
software.
is hardware? Y'all don't know, no? So first time we are learning about hardware. So hardware is the physical parts of computer. What is hardware?
Physical parts of
Hardware.
computer, ma'am.
I'll tell you the meaning. Y'all can unmute your video. Okay. So what is hardware means? Physical parts of computer that we can touch and feel. Okay. Repeat, children. Physical parts of a computer
Physical
Physical parts of a computer
that we can
that we can
touch
we
and
can
feel. That we can touch and feel is called hardware.
and feel is called hardware.
Okay, all unmute your video. Only Varsha should repeat after me. Varsha, repeat after me, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Physical parts of computer system
Physical parts of computer system
that we can touch and feel is called
and feel is called
hardware.
hardware.
For example,
For example,
keyboard,
keyboard,
mouse,
mouse,
CPU,
CPU,
printer.
printer.
Okay, so why we say that physical parts of computer means, so keyboard can you touch?
Yes, ma'am.
Mouse can you touch?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Printer can you touch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The things we can see, the things we can touch and feel is called hardware. Okay, so monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, all these are
Yes, ma'am.
hardware. Okay, children, did you
Okay, ma'am.
understand? So tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
meaning of hardware. Physical parts of computer
Physical parts of computer
that we can
that we can
touch.
touch.
Touch means we can touch that. Okay, we can go and touch the keyboard more. We can go and touch the monitor more. So these all are the physical parts of computer that we can touch and feel. Okay, children. For example, water. Hardware cannot work on its own. Okay, so now we are going and sitting in front of monitor. I told you last class only. So if you go and sit only, automatically.
Question
Can you hear me?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
Yes,
can
ma'am.
unmute your video.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
All can unmute your video. Is that? All unmute your video. If I'm asking only, you all should answer. Okay. So hardware can't. What, Suman?
Shall I go for washroom?
No, wait. So after class over only, I should get up and go. Okay. If you're going and sitting in front of keyboard, without your working, automatically keyboard will work, children. If you're not typing, automatically
No, ma'am.
keyboard will type. No, right? So we have to give instruction. If we type only, we will able to see that on the monitor. Okay, so hardware can't work on its own. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Did you
ma'am.
understand second point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third point. Did you all understand second point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hardware components work only if the software is in. So hardware works only if software is there. Okay, so I told no, two types of computer system. What are the two types of computer system, children?
Yes,
Hardware.
Hardware, software.
Okay.
Hardware, software, ma'am.
Hardware
Hardware,
and software.
software, ma'am.
If hardware is there, only software can work. Okay.
Work.
To hardware and software is there, only the computer system will work. Now all know the meaning of hardware, no children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will learn the meaning of software. What is software? Software is a set of instruction given to a computer to do a particular task. Okay. So soft, I told you all, no, hardware means we can touch and we can feel. Software means we can't touch or we can't feel. Okay. For example, MS Paint. We will do paint in the computer, no children.
Yes, ma'am.
So we went to the lab and we did. Can you remember? Y'all remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is MS? Microsoft. Microsoft Paint we did in the class. No. So can we go and touch that MS Paint? We can feel that.
No, ma'am.
So we can't go and touch or we can't feel. So that type of things are called software. Okay. So software is there only we can work in the computer. Hardware and software is there only we can work in the computer. Example is MS Paint. Okay. One more example is MS Word. That is used to type the Microsoft Word. MS means Microsoft. What is the meaning of MS?
Microsoft, ma'am.
Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft Word means we will type poems, letters, and all. No.
Yes, ma'am.
MS, that is Microsoft Word. So can we go and touch and feel that Microsoft Word application, children? No,
ma'am.
Software. Both hardware and software is there only we can work on the computer. Did you understand?
Computer. Yes, ma'am.
Software are classified into two types. Okay. Software
ma'am.
into two types. System software and application software. Okay, children.
Software and application. Okay, ma'am.
Classified into two types. Speak. Did you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Software are classified into two types: application software and
System
software. Okay. So system software is essential. Essential means required. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat after me the meaning of system software. The software. Y'all can hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And sit in one place, okay? Don't go here and there. The software are essential. Essential means required for all working on computer. Okay. If system software is not there, means we can't work on the computer. Okay, children. So it is essential. system software is important for working on the computer. Okay, children? So next is application software. Application software, something, okay. So if it is required or it is not, it is not required. System software means compulsory we will require that. Application software means we can use or we can't use. Okay, children, did you all understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So today's
Yes,
class
ma'am.
we have learned what is computer system. What is computer system? Computer
System,
is a
smart electronic machine.
electronic machine. Okay, what is computer system?
Smart electronic machine.
Only Tanmay is there in the class.
No, ma'am.
Others also can answer. What is computer system?
Smart electronic
Computer is a smart electronic machine.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Kritya
I
can
can't see
answer. Kritya, why we say computer as a smart electronic machine? Kritya, give me the examples.
Because it is connected to electronic machine. Electricity.
Noda, give me the example why we call computer as a smart electronic machine.
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am.
Say
Because
that.
it makes us work easy and faster. Ma'am, I can't see you.
Niharika, you tell me the why we call computer as a smart electronic machine. Because
Ma'am, can I tell
what
ma'am?
are the things we can do in
Drawing,
computer?
ma'am. Because it's used for drawing.
Drawing,
Playing
only
games.
for drawing.
Painting, playing games, seeing movies. Things, ma'am. Seeing
Yes, sir.
cartoons, ma'am.
Yes, for doing calculation, for drawing pictures, so for drawing, for typing, everything we need the computer. Okay, so if parts of computer is not there, means can you all work on the computer?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
We have only computer, means we don't have any other parts. Can you all work in the computer, children?
No, ma'am.
So we need all
No,
the
ma'am.
computer.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Everyone
ma'am.
can unmute. Whom I'm asking the question, only they should answer me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Arshita KR, you answer me, Mima. 4 main parts of computer. Arshita.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Okay, try Aarti. 4 main parts of computer.
Monitor, mouse, keyboard,
Correct. CPU.
CPU, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Joshna, tell me the meaning of CPU. Expand CPU. Joshna.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Cherish, say me the full form of CPU, Cherish.
Central Processing Unit, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so next we have learned about hardware, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is hardware? Physical
Part of computer.
part
we
of
can
computer.
touch and
Part of
That
computer.
feel, ma'am.
That is called hardware.
We
Okay,
can
example.
touch and see.
Ma'am, for example, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, ma'am. Printers,
These are the examples for hardware. Okay, what is software? Now this software you'll repeat after me, okay? Software is a
Software is a
instructions,
instruction
set of
Instructions.
instructions
set
Set of instructions
given to a computer
giving to the
given to the computer
to do a
mini
particular task, okay?
particular task.
Can we go and touch the softwares, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
MS Paint, Tux Paint, can we go and touch it?
No, ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
can't go and touch
No,
the
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next, software supports the working of hardware. If hardware is not there, there is no use of software. If software is not there, there is no use of hardware. Did you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Examples
Yes,
for
ma'am.
hardware.
Yes, ma'am.
Varsha, tell me the examples for hardware. Huh?
CPU, computer, ma'am. Printer, ma'am.
Okay, good. Varsha, tell me the examples for software. Varsha?
Ma'am,
Tell me the examples for hardware. Software. Aarti, you tell me the examples.
program, ma'am. C program, ma'am.
Examples for software.
Software.
MS, Microsoft,
XP, ma'am. MS Paint, ma'am.
MS Paint, Microsoft Paint,
Microsoft
Word, Microsoft
Word.
MS PowerPoint,
Microsoft Excel, ma'am.
Microsoft Excel, very good.
Microsoft MS
Tux Paint,
PowerPoint.
MS
Windows, ma'am.
Paint like MS Tux Paint. So it is
Windows
also
XP,
same
ma'am.
like. Okay, very
Windows
good.
XP, ma'am.